Hello guys, how you guys doing? Hopefully everybody's doing good. So, itong video na to, this is just about the impact of not having a father. Okay. It can be um wala na your dad is gone. Could be dead or he could be neglectful. So, pero this video basically ganon. It's about not having a father in your life. When I was younger, I thought na it's the mother who plays a very important role in the family. Pero as I grow older, as I nababasa ko tong mga research, mga statistic, it points out that the father is the guiding light of the family. A strong, decent father who is there for his family, who spends time with his children and his wife, will go farther. Yeah, what I'm talking about is you will get farther in life pagka may tatay ka that spend time with you, that spend time with your mom, rather than wala. And pag wala ka naman tatay, doesn't mean automatic not that your life will be ruined. It just means mas mahirap, you know. So, ito yung statistic. Okay. Children growing up without a father. Dito to sa US But I think this can be universal in all culture, in all race. Has become an epidemic. Here are some troubling statistics about fatherless children in the US. And these are two websites you can visit. National Center for Fathering and the Fatherless Generation. So here is one. This one is the very top. 85% of youth in prison come from fatherless homes. Let that sink in. 85%. 85%. And it says came from fatherless homes, not motherless. They grew up without a father. Okay? It didn't say na they grew up or they came from parents who are fighting. Because usually, ay, ganun nakikinig ko dati. Or some people say that na we fight a lot. So it's better that we divorce. the statistic did not say that. Okay, it's safe from fatherless homes. Either your father is dead or neglected ka ng father mo. So, ito pa, isa pa. 71% of high school dropout come from fatherless homes. Okay? 71%. Because if you have no responsible father who is pushing you to do your homework, to do good in school, you will fail. Ito nga eh, if you think about it, di ba si Duterte may drug war? Well, drug war on drugs. I never understood why Duterte did not focus on the family. Because if Duterte focus on the family, I think like bababa pa, like it wouldn't be the impact of drugs in the Philippines would be lower because they would have a mother and a father telling them not to do drugs. Okay? Yun ang ano eh, kasi 'di ba sabi ni Duterte, kill your children who do drugs. He did not say that, ganon, pero he's mentioned something like that. So, if you think about it, if the children or the youth have a responsible father who will tell them ang effects of drugs and also will tell them not to do drugs, that will have a bigger impact. Pero ano, sige, we'll keep going. 90% of all homeless and runaway children are from fatherless homes. Nearly 25 million children live without their biological father. Once again, this is here in the US. I think in the Philippines, this is, last time I looked, nasa 14 million children who lives with their mother. So without a father. Okay. And ang population ng Philippines is around 120-ish. 120 million. And this is the last one. 60% of youth suicides are from fatherless homes. Okay? Like what I said, ulit, huh? It's not automatic that you don't have a father, this is what's going to happen to you. But life will be harder. Like when I was looking at people, especially LGBTQ, nakita ko nga na si Vice Ganda have no father. So papakita ko dito. Kasi may impact din yun eh. Okay, ito si Vice Ganda. His father, a native of Taysan, Batangas, and a barangay captain in Tondo, Manila, was murdered when he was young, prompting his mother, an Ilocana from San Juan, La Union, to leave her children to work abroad as a caregiver. Si Vice Ganda yan. Meron pa akong isa, si Maria Reza. Kasi ito yung mga prominent LGBTQ eh. Okay. A Chinese Filipino. Oh, Reza's father, a Chinese Filipino, died when she was 1 year old. So it's very tragic. Sinasabi ko lang to because it has an impact. You know, fathers are really important. And sino pa ang nangiiwan when it comes to relationship? You know, mostly kasi when a relationship is in trouble, people just give up and they don't think about the long-term effect to their children. And this is what will happen. That's why it's very important. I will keep drilling this over and over again because I don't see a lot of people promoting fatherhood, especially dyan sa Pilipinas. Dito meron eh. Si Larry Elder, there's some more people. Sila Ben Shapiro. Pero sa Pilipinas, wala akong masyadong makikita eh. So, hopefully, um, this Christmas, fathers, you will spend time with your family, you will spend time with your wife, you will spend time with your children. Don't worry about your extended family. Okay? Don't worry about your brothers and your sisters. Focus on your own family. Okay? So, oh, 13 minutes. That's too long. That's 14 minutes na. That is too long. I talk too much. Pero yun lang naman po. Hopefully, um, everybody have a good day. I'll try to make one more video. I'm very busy over the holidays. But everybody have a good day. Peace out.